To get started with the Carfax app, first download and install it on your mobile device from the App Store. Once installed, launch the app and create an account or login if you already have one. The home screen of the Carfax app provides several options to begin your search for vehicle history. Reports. You can search by vehicle make and model, or by using the VIN, which is the vehicle identification number. If you are searching by VIN, tap on the search bar and enter the 17-digit VIN number. If you do not have the VIN, you can select the make and model of the vehicle and then enter the year to narrow down your search. Once you have entered the required information, tap the search button to retrieve the vehicle history report. The report will include important information such as ownership history, accident and damage reports, and any recalls or safety notices. In addition to the vehicle history report, the Carfax app also provides other useful tools such as a vehicle inspection checklist and a maintenance schedule. The inspection checklist allows you to review the condition of the vehicle and identify any potential issues, while the maintenance schedule provides recommendations for routine maintenance and repairs. To use these tools, navigate to the Vehicle Details page and scroll down to the Tools section. From here, you can select the inspection checklist or maintenance schedule and follow the prompts to complete the review or schedule maintenance. Best practices for using the Carfax app include always checking the vehicle history report before purchasing a used vehicle, and using the inspection checklist to review the condition of the vehicle. Additionally, be sure to review the maintenance schedule to ensure the vehicle is up to date on all recommended maintenance and repairs. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by the Carfax app, you can make informed decisions when purchasing a used vehicle and ensure you are getting a reliable and safe vehicle.